Hello guys, hope you are doing great. So in this video we'll be looking for the weekly analysis for the next week. And let's start with the forexfactory.com and let's see what are the upcoming events for the coming week. Okay, on Monday we are having bank holiday for Canada. So CAD will be we will be not expecting lot of movement in CAD on Monday, and we are having news on GBP on 9:45 p.m. and governor speech is there. So on Tuesday we are having EMA data for Euro, so we can expect movement on that time, and we are having a speech for USD as well at 9:50 p.m. on Tuesday. So Wednesday, trade carefully on this time, guys, because this is an bank rates time. So we can expect spike up and spike down drastically. So it can hit your stop loss, and so trade carefully on this time. And so on 11th and Wednesday we also have FOMC meeting as well for USD, and on Tuesday we are having holiday for Euro and CHF, so we'll be not having lot of volume for that pair. So try to avoid those pair on Thursday as well, guys. And on Thursday we're having GDP data for USD. So on Friday, so we are having price index data is coming for USD on Friday. Okay, so we are having good amount of event this week, and we can expect good movements as well. Okay, so let's start with DXY, guys. So what we are having in DXY. So in 1 day time frame, it is still bullish, and it is still this uptrend is still valid unless it is breaking this support. Okay, so in 4 hour time frame it is bearish, guys, and we can able to draw this trend line as well. So it is in retracement phase right now. So if it is coming to this area and if it is making engulfing candle down, you can look for short entries from here. So and target this support area. Okay. So price will be mostly respect this area and react in some way, like it can react back little more and again it can drop, or else it can again look like continue the trend and it can go up. Okay, so this is an important support area, guys. Trade carefully here. So if it is holding this level, you can look for long entry from here, or if it is breaking down, wait for the retracement and come back. Like again you can continue down in 4 hour time frame. Okay, so that would be for DXY, guys. Next we can go with the Euro USD. So Euro USD is in 1 day time frame, as we know it is bearish, but it is near an important support, guys, and we are also able to see it is over. The USD is overvalued, so it is going for a retracement now. So in 4 hour time frame, it is going in uptrend. So it is an uptrend, and you can look for long entries from this area, which is near the support of trend line as well. So you can look for long entries, and you can target this level as your first target, and you can look for the second target here. And as we have seen in the DXY, it is near an important support, which would be a resistance in Euro USD. So this would be an important area, guys. If it is respecting this area and reversing back, can continue the trend down. So wait for this, like this is an important area. So keep this as your target. Again, if the price is going there and retesting this trend line and continuing up, you can look for long entries from there. Okay, so right now bullish on Euro USD, you can look for long entries from this area, and you can look for long entries from this area. If the price is coming to this area and holding this level, again you can look for long entries from this area. If it is not holding this level, it can go continue down. You can look for the retracement and look for short entries from this area. Okay, so that would be for Euro USD, guys. Next let's go with AUDSD. So in AUDSD also, it have already broken this trend line of 4 hour, and it is going up. So it is bullish, guys. You can look for long entries from this area. So what I'm planning looking is, I'll be waiting for a little bit more of consolidation here. Like here I will be looking for long entries from here, and you can continue the trend up. Okay, so in 4 hour time frame it is bullish, and in 1 day time frame also it have already like it is 4 hour time frame also it is bullish, and in 1 day time frame trend and also already have broken. So this is an important resistance here. I'll be looking for only long entries in AUDSD, as we know, like the DXY, like dollar is weak, the price can tend to move higher. Okay, So I'll be looking for long entries from this area and target this level, guys. So that would be for ADSD. So next would be GBP USD, guys. GBP USD also similar to Euro USD and ADSD. It is an uptrend and in 4 hour time frame, and I'll be looking for only long entries right now. So if it is holding this level and moving up, I'll be looking for long entries and target this level. So nothing big in the analysis, guys, because all pairs are moving violently based on the DXY. As we know, the DXY dollar is moving like very strongly up and down, and already as we know, the interest rate of the dollar is also going to increase. Okay, so that's why it is moving up and down violently now. So I'll be looking for long entries from this area, guys, and targeting this level. If it is breaking this level, I can look for this target as well. Okay, so I'll be only bullish, like I'm bullish on GBPSD, Euro USD and ADSD as well. So I'll be looking for only long entries here. Okay, so next would be NZD-USD, guys. NZD-USD is also in 4-hour time frame and is still is an uptrend, and I'll be waiting for the pullback to this level. If it continues directly, I'll be not trading, looking for long entries here. If it is coming to this trend line again and take a support from this area, I'll be looking for long entries for NZD-USD as well. Okay. So in one day time frame, it was in downtrend, and already it have broken the downtrend, and it is moving like it is forming high in 4-hour time frame. So I'll be looking for the retracement to this trend line again, and if it is holding this level, I'll be looking for long entries from there. Okay, so USD CAD, it is kind of tricky right now because it is like the momentum is strong in both sideways, because you can see the size of the bullishness here, and you can also it is in even though it is in downtrend, the bullishness is very high. So I'm not looking for short entries here because right now it is in sideways. So until and unless it is breaking this area, I'll be not looking for this trade. Or if it is breaking this area, I'll be not looking for this trade, because like most likely the this pair can be considered in this thing sideways. Okay, so I'm avoiding non-trending pairs, guys. Trending is good and it is easy to trade as well. So I'll be looking for only trending pairs, and USD CAD is not so good for this week. So if it is breaking only this support, I'll be waiting for the pullback, and again I'll be looking for shorts and targeting this level. Okay, so that would be for USD CAD. So next we will see on USD CHF. Already we have seen USD CHF made a big move down. Either we can wait for the pullback here, guys, and unless if it is directly continuing down, I will be not trading here. So I'll be waiting for the pullback to this level again, guys, which should be like 61% retracement, and it is also having important resistance here. And if we drop in 30 minutes time frame, also we are having an important supply area here. Okay, so if it is price is planning to go for a retracement to this level, I'll be looking for short entries from there. So if the price is directly coming down, I'll be not trading here, guys, because they already the price like USD CHF have made a big move. The price won't go straight down like this. It always go with a zigzag manner. So I'll be looking for a pullback to this level. If it is holding this level, I'll be looking for short entries from there. So USD CHF, again, USD CHF is in downtrend and it is near an important support area. So USD JPY is a little tricky here, guys, because it is near important support area, and right now we are in downtrend. So what I will be planning to do is I'll be waiting for the pullback from this level again. So again, the price should retrace to this trend line, and if it is holding this level and breaking down, I'll be looking for short entries. So that would be my trade for this USD JPY, guys. I'll be not looking for long entries until and unless it is breaking this important resistance area. So I'll be looking for shorts from here, guys. If it is holding this level, and if you are able to see a short opportunity in a lower time frame like 1 hour and 30 minutes, happy to go with shorts here, guys. So next would be GBP JPY. Let's go with GBP JPY. Uh, GBP JPY is little bit tricky here because it is not in it is going with any trend here. It is sideways right now. So I'll be looking for the retracement of this level, guys, which is near important trend line as well. Either you can look for short entries from here, or if it is breaking this trend line strongly, you can look for long entries here. Okay. So we are having both side potential here. This is an important resistance area. So if it is holding this resistance area and dropping down, you can look for short entries. If it is breaking the support area, wait for the pullback. Like it should break strongly. Wait for the pullback, and then you can continue the trend up. Okay. So ADSD also in sideways. It is a little bit tricky here. I'll be either looking for short entries from this area, which is an important resistance area. If it is holding this level, you can look for short entries from there. Or else if it is breaking this important resistance area and making high here, you can look for short long entries after they pull back to the trend line again. Okay. So next would be NZD-JPY, guys. It is similar to AD-JPY. It is also approaching an important resistance area, and in 4-hour time frame it is bullish, as we can see. Either if it is holding this level, I'll be not trading this. We're looking for short entries because NZD-JPY is comparatively bullish compared to AUD-JPY. So if it is breaking this important support, wait for the pullback to this trend line and look for, and you can look for long entries from there. So CHF-JPY is super bullish, guys. So we can able to draw a trend line using 4-hour time frame. So if it is coming to this level and you can able to see a bullish candle from here, which is an important support area as well. So you can look for long entries from there and you can continue the uptrend. Okay. And last would be Euro-JPY, guys. Euro-JPY is consolidating right now. Either it can break down or break up. So if it is breaking down this important support area, I'll be waiting for the pullback to this trend line again. You can look for short entries from them. If it is breaking up here, this is an important support resistance area. If it is breaking up, I'll be looking for like you can look for the retracement down and you can look for long entries from there. Okay, so that would be for this week, guys, and I have done my best today. So hope you got something useful from this video. So JPY is a little choppy here, and USD pairs are trending. So wait for the break, consolidation to break in JPY pairs, guys, and you can look for entries after that. If we are able to continue the trend here in this pair, all USD pairs are moving up. So USD is weak, right? So these pairs are trending right now. So you can look for entries there, and it is we can able to see some good pairs having good entry levels as well. So trade carefully, guys, and do your own analysis as well. So if you have enjoyed with this video, and if you have any feedback or any comments, you can leave the comment as well and like my video as well. So we'll be seeing you on the next week. Take care, guys, and have a wonderful trading week.